I'm going to show you how to make $500 a day on Facebook in this video. I'm going to give you my exact step-by-step blueprint so that you can start seeing results immediately. And this method still holds up even after all of the updates that Facebook has made over the past couple years. So let's get into it. If you don't know me yet, I'm an entrepreneur and e-commerce brand builder. So I've been building online businesses since 2017, and in this video, I am gonna share with you how to make money on one of the most popular social media platforms out there, Facebook. The first thing you want to do is go to Facebook and create a page in your niche. For example, if you're going to be selling weight loss coaching services, you would create a Facebook page about health and fitness, or whatever your niche is. That way you can provide value to people within your niche, without having to pay for ads. And Facebook pages have really been overlooked in recent years because everybody's trying to focus on reels and short-form content. But pages are actually a great way to build an audience and provide value to people who are interested in what you're reposting about. This is also going to help you with step no. 2, which is to join Facebook groups in your niche. Because when you post valuable content on those groups, you're going to get more eyes on your content, more eyes on your profile, which means more sales. This brings me to tip no. 3, which is to sell these digital products and services. If you're looking to make $500 a day consistently, you need to sell these things at least 2 to 3 times per day. What are the best things to promote? Well, here's a list of ideas. You can create Notion templates, website themes, digital planners, Notion skins, chat templates, lead magnets, and the list goes on and on. But today I'm going to share with you guys my favorite type of digital product to sell. It's the easiest to create, it's the easiest to deliver, and it makes the most amount of money. And that is done through Facebook Marketplace. So you can create a Facebook Marketplace listing for any of the other digital products we talked about. But I highly recommend creating a service listing where you can offer something like Instagram Reels editing. The reason why this works so well is because you're able to charge anywhere between $50 to $500 per edit. Depending on how fast you want to turn around the project and how many edits you're doing, people are willing to spend a lot of money on Facebook Marketplace for things like this because they see it as a quick fix to their problems. They are not willing to spend as much time on the marketplace as they would be on something like Etsy or Creative Market. That means you can charge more for your services and make more money. If you're looking for inspiration on what types of things to post on Facebook in order to drive traffic to your marketplace listings or to your pages, here's a few ideas for you. Number 1, how-to videos. Number 2, tutorials. Number 3, top 10s and listicles. Number 4, before and after pictures. And number 5, quotes. If you combine any of these types of posts with a link to your marketplace listing, you gonna start to see some serious traction and you gonna start making some serious sales. Tip no. 5 is to use monetization tools that Facebook provides for free. There's a ton of them. For example, you can use their monetization software to turn your long-form content into short-form content. So you're able to post shorts on Facebook from the Reels tab, which gets a lot of impressions and can drive a lot of traffic to your pages and your marketplace listings. Another tool that Facebook offers for free is their live feature. Go live and teach people something that they would find valuable. That way you're providing value again and you're building trust. And then you can promote your digital products and services during those lives or in the description of those lives. Now if you guys want a step-by-step detailed video on how to start a successful print-on-demand store, then you guys should watch this video here. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.